Surprise package from Goa includes limited edition. Hey, hope you like the gift. It's from Stars and Smileys. And I get these two blind bags. Oh, this is the limited edition blind baggie. And this is a normal blind bag. Hello. Thanks for ordering this package because you are special. We have given you a small gift in one of the blind baggies. The black and white seashell is from Mumbai. Okay. This small gift is for you. We give you a limited edition pack. Oh, and the purple seashell is from Dubai. हो सकता है वो limited edition में हो. I'll open this first. So, okay, it says cut here. Okay. Let's cut. Oh, ये इतने सुंदर बैग्स हैं, मेरे को इन्हें कट करने का भी मन नहीं कर रहा. Ta-da! And oh. Whoa, guys! I love these seashells. Oh, the bigger one. उससे छोटा. And oh my god, guys. Okay, तो मैं पहले आपको छोटे वाले seashells दिखा देती हूँ. Guys, these are awesome. Okay, now let's open this blind baggie. Whee. Okay. Again, it says cut here. ठीक है. And two. Oh, दो ही हैं. Oh wow, guys. It's a purple seashell. It's from Dubai. Whoa. And this is the black and white seashell, which means it's from Mumbai. Oh, I love the limited edition pack. Actually, I love the whole package, guys. Woo! Okay, guys, and I arranged them size by size. And look at this. I have 23 in total. Thanks for watching. Bye.